January is halfway over, so it's about to get time to have a look at what February has in store for us. Usually February is a relatively slow month regarding new releases, but it's still worthwhile to know what is coming. Hi guys, my name is Stefan and welcome back to the SV Brickshop YouTube channel. If you haven't done already, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, as it always helps me out and it keeps the content going. It also contributes to the goal we set for ourselves, which is to reach 1000 subscribers by the end of 2025. Also, have a look at my Bricklink and Brickheadz stores if you are looking for those high quality Lego parts, sets and minifigs at affordable prices and worldwide shipping. The store links are in the description below. So in February we will have 7 new releases under 4 themes. By the way, I am not counting the February gift with purchase or the GWP as an actual release, as I only count the ones that will be released in retail. Anyway, we will go over them one by one, and for easy access I will be adding timestamps to this video. Next month's gift with purchase is the Valentine's Heart, which consists of 172 parts and is available for free at lego.com with every purchase from 75 euros and up, or until the supply lasts. For the botanical theme, one new set is coming out in February, which is set 10345, the flower arrangement, with a retail price of 110 euros and 1161 parts. For the Brickheadz theme, 3 new sets coming out, which is set 4792 Dumbo, with a retail price of 10 euros and 176 parts. Then we have set 4797 Eeyore, with a retail price of also 10 euros and 156 parts. And lastly we have set 4798 the Red Panda May, also a retail price of 10 euros and a part count of 121. Under the seasonal theme, 2 new sets are coming out, which is set 4808 the Easter Bunny and Chick Egg Hunt, with a retail price for 13 euros and 140 parts. And the set Decorative Easter Egg, set 4816, with a retail price of 20 euros and a part count of 386. Under the Ideas theme, one new set, but it has a big question mark. Set 21354, the Cullen House from the Twilight Saga, is rumored to release next month, but up until now no official post or anything has been made on lego.com. The set will have a recommended retail price of 220 euros and will consist of 2001 parts and 4 minifigs, those being Bella Swan, Jacob Black, Carlisle Cullen and Edward Cullen. And a little bit of a personal opinion here, despite the fact that I think this will be a very cool build, I think we could have done just fine without the introduction of those sparkly little vampires into the Lego world. And that is the end of our video. I hope you liked it. And if you did, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.